Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Be Creative Holiday, hosted by Terry of the Tapping Flamingo, aka Bohemian Hippie. So if you're not familiar, go check out our channel. I will try to remember to link it down below. However, if you just use the hashtag Be Creative Holiday, you should find everyone who's participating. This is an open collab and we post on the 13th of each month. We don't have a set time, and I believe Terry is continuing this into next year, but I don't know the themes or anything for next year, so stay tuned. And I'll be watching her video this month for sure to see if she mentions that. So last month when I was making my jewelry making fun collab, I had been looking for silver spacers. And I didn't end up using these, but I came across these in my stash, which I bought years ago at Oriental Trading. There are 3 different sizes of a silver tone colored flat spacer beads. So there's this size, then like this is like 8mm, 6mm, and like 4mm, something like that. So what came to my head at the time was, oh, you know, I make those marguerite crystal Christmas trees. Excuse me. So maybe these 3 different sizes would make cool Christmas trees. But I didn't get around to doing it until just now. And then, so I have this little box, cardboard box from a previous kit or something, I don't know. Anyway, I have sort of all my Christmas and winter stuff in it. Hang on. So I pulled out these, this pearl mix, glass pearls, also from Oriental Trading years ago. I have checked everything I'm showing you today. I can't find available anymore. I think Oriental Trading is sort of getting out of the adult jewelry making stuff and only doing like kids, because I saw a lot of like pony beads and stuff like that on their site. So I've had this for quite a while. You can see the labels are coming off and everything. It was Sensational Beads at Oriental Trading, but they don't have them anymore. They do have some other pearl mixes or bead mixes, but not this one. Also, from Oriental Trading, they had these red cubes, garnet cube cut glass 4 to 6mm, and smoky quartz cube crystal beads 4 to 6mm. I didn't have them in green that I could find, but I did have some green from Bead Box Bargains, Aeronite Vitrail, and those I think are 6mm. And then I needed some things at the top for the green ones, and also, no, just the green ones. So because I didn't have a smaller cube, so I had these Michael's Bead Gallery crystals. They're small crystals, and I used them. And then for the toppers, these hematite, I think they are, silver coated hematite 5mm stars, which I think I've used before on this channel. And then I had these ball head pins from Soft Flex. I think they were a closeout. I don't think they have them anymore, but you could check. And some ear wires, and I'm using antique silver tone fish hooks with nickel free with the coil in the ball. So these are the first 2 pair I made, the red pearls and the little cubes on the top and bottom. The green ones have the cube on the bottom, but since they were from Bead Box Bargains, I didn't have 2 sizes. And at the top, I think I just got twisted. I have that little green Michael's crystal. Sorry, it's blurry. It's not liking the sparkle. I'll put it down lower. There, maybe you'll see it lower. Yeah, so just different shades of green. Same shade of red for the pearls, because they didn't have 2 shades of red in that. And then for the white ones, which we're going to finish here, I didn't have any white opaque cubes, but I had these, what were they called? Smoky quartz from Oriental Trading, and then the white pearls out of the mix, 2 sizes, and the spacers, and then the star. And I just did a simple loop because these head pins don't have much room. So we'll just do that together. And all I do is simply, I just strung them on the head pin. Very simple, right? Except these head pins are not real stiff and straight. Now, I just bend it over my thumbnail or whatever, and forgive my nails because they are a wreck. And it's the weather, the dry heat or something is just not liking my skin or my fingernails. Or I should say, those are not liking the dry weather. So I'm putting this in my round nose about there. And you kind of want to make sure it's not sticking through, you know, and then roll it back. And I think I have too much on there still. I do. I'm going to cut just a tiny little bit more off. Because the one thing is you kind of want to try and get the loop at the top to be the same size, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute, of each other. Otherwise the earring length won't be the same. And see, these are so bendy. Not loving these head pins. Now if you want to do a wrap loop to make something this long, excuse me, you really should have a either a 3-inch head pin, these are around 2, or just wire and make your own little loopy thing at the bottom. That's probably what I would prefer, actually. But I had these head pins and I wanted to use them. I'm going to actually wiggle this back and forth. I'm not terribly 100% happy with that loop. Let me see. I already put this one on ear wire. I just want to see, yeah, my loops are about the same, oh boy, about the same diameter. I guess that's what I want to say. I don't know if you can see that or not. This camera, there we go. Boy, it really just does not like the light. There we go. Okay, so now the only other thing we do is open the ear wire. These happen to open on the back, and I see I have a hair on my hand. Ay, ay, ay. And then just plop this on. It really doesn't matter on the direction this time because it's not a wrap loop, so I don't have to make sure the loop is, you know, the end is in the back. And I also the beads, as long as the star is facing front, which it should be if the loop goes side to side on the head pin. And there we have it, our sort of neutral Christmas trees. I think they came out pretty cool. I don't have another earring card right here, so I'll just lay these out. So that is what I made for hashtag Be Creative on this channel. This one just does not want to seem to, there we go, stay down. Okay. Let me know if you like them or if you would do something different, but I think they came out pretty. I was originally thinking maybe I'd combine the colors, but I wasn't liking that, so I just made them in green, red, and a neutral color that could be worn actually anytime, but it's meant to be a Christmas tree kind of thing. Yeah, so that's it. And now on this channel, and then on my other channel, I did make something too. I think if you like paper crafts, you'll really probably like what I made for that. And I don't know what January will be, so come back and see in January. And yeah, let me know if you like these, or if you don't, let me know that too, and why. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful holiday season, and Merry Christmas to those that celebrate Christmas. I will be back before that. I will be back on the 15th with 2 videos, the 18th with a video, and somewhere in there I'll be back with a just because video, jewelry making video or 2. All right, Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.